Gagawa naman tayo ng isang dish na masarap na pagsaluhan. O, di ba? Eto siya, ang tawag nito ay sinuglaw. May sinugba at may kinilaw. Kaya ito, sarap ko. May akong tuna. Oh, beautiful tuna. And pork belly. Oh, titimplahan muna natin yung ating pork belly kasi kailangan nating ihawin. Kaya sinuglaw siya kasi sugba, which means ihaw, and kilaw. Timpla natin, napakasimple lang. Patis, konting kalamansi, yan o, kalamansi, at konting magic. Ito, dagdag linamnam sa ating inihaw. A little bit of magic. Yan o. Kakaiba talaga ng linamnam pag may magic. Perfect, no? Yan, no? So, very simple lang yung ating timpla dito. And we will marinate this for mga 10-15 minutes. At mamaya, lalabas na tayo para mag-ihaw. Then, lalagyan natin ng black pepper. So, napakasimple lang na ating marinade. We will set this aside para ready na tayo mamaya. And I will prepare our dressing. So, napaka-importante dito, masarap yung ating dressing ng ating kinilaw. So, maggawa ka ng kinilaw, napakadali lang, isipin mo, para ka lang gumagawa ng masarap na sausawan and ilalagay mo yung inyong raw fish. So, ito, I will start off with ginger, which I will mince. Ito talaga yung nagka-cut ng fishiness at nagbibigay ng masarap na flavor, no? Yung aromatic quality ng ating dressing. At alam mo, if you go around the Philippines, ang daming versions ng kinilaw. Ito, very simple, very straightforward lang yung aking version dito. Pero I will be adding a bit of coconut milk. So ito, onions, red onions. Masarap tong red onion. And cut natin thinly. So I will just prepare, I'm slicing my onions, julienne. At pag sinasabi mong kinilaw, di ba? Dapat may konting anghang. So, lalagyan natin ng ating sili. Siling labuyo, pero isa lang. Yan. The smaller one. I will just chop this. Sili. And gagawin natin dito, we will make our dressing first. So, we will add suka. Napaka-importante suka. Kung meron kang sukang tuba, perfect yun. And, titimpla natin ng konting patis. And para sa konting linamnam, we are adding a little bit of Maggi. A little bit, konting sugar to balance. Konti lang, balance. Alam niyo naman, ang suka, depende sa suka mo, iba-iba yung lasa at flavor profile ng suka. Yung may suka naman na namis, may sobrang anghang, pwede kang gumamit ng pinakurat, pwede kang gumamit ng kung anong suka na gusto mo, pero ibabalance mo pa rin sa gusto mong lasa. Dahil ang gamit kong suka is just regular white vinegar, titimplahan ko para maging mas complex at mas malasa. Titikman ko muna. Yung konting kalamansi juice. Masarap na, guys. So, I will let that rest. So, our tuna is so fresh and we will add it to our bowl. Before we do anything, we will season it with salt. Bakit natin siniseason ng salt? So that the meat will become firmer. Di ba parang ampalaya, inaasinan mo siya para yung excess water niya will be drawn out. So ito siya, I will just leave this tuna and after dito, all the excess liquid, itatapon ko. So this is curing our tuna mga 5 to 10 minutes. And you can do this in the chiller dahil mas masarap ang kinilaw pag medyo chilled. Now it's time to make ihaw our liempo. Tara, magsugbata. Adto tas gawas. At magpa-flex ako ng aking ihawan. O, di ba? Ang bango. Grabe. Tatabi muna natin yung ating pork sinugba dahil kailangan siyang ma-rest before slicing. But I will add a little bit more vegetables to our kinilaw with the use of cucumbers. So, I will just use half. Then, babalatan natin. And this is going to be so nice. Diba? So, I will just dice my cucumbers. Yan. Trim for a little bit of crunch. So, marami talagang version ng kinilaw. Ano ba yung version ng kinilaw sa inyo? Ito. And we will dice our cucumbers. Ang size ng ating cucumber, pareho ng size ng ating fish. Yan. So, ito. Ready to assemble. Tingnan mo ha. Yung ating fish, dahil nasin na natin, nag-release siya ng excess niya na moisture. And I will not include the excess na yung tubig niya. We will add our fish into our bowl, ating dressing. Masarap na yan kasi kanina pa yan. Add natin ating tuna. Properly seasoned na tuna. Yan, yung katas niya, hindi natin isasama. And we will add our cucumbers. Yan, oh. Magbabago yan. So, what happens with the fish when you add the vinegar, it denatures. No? Let that soak. And while that is soaking, yung gagawin natin, ang ating pork, we will cut into strips. Simple-simple. Tikman natin. Ating marinade, ating seasoning is so light, so simple na the freshness of the kinilaw combined with the smokiness of the pork and the fattiness of the pork is so delicious. So, ito siya, sinugba, kinilaw, kung buo yung fish mo, ang ulo, gagawin mo tinola. Diba? Or tinuwa. So, meron kang sutukil, sugba, tuwa, and kilaw. That's the perfect combination. Tignan natin itong ating kinilaw. Naging puti na siya, oh. Look at that, oh. Now is the time to add our coconut. So, if you intend to do this ahead of time, ngayon is the time to chill. I-chill mo siya ng ganito. And before serving, doon mo lang ilalagay yung gata mo. Kasi pag ilagay mo yung gata mo, before you chill, maninigas yung fat dito sa taas. Yan, oh. Ang sarap-sarap dito. Grabe. Para mas sumarap pa yung ating kinilaw, we will add a bit of leeks. Ang white part, we will add here. Ano? Leeks dyan. More chilies. Add it there. Then, itong ating leeks, gagawin natin pang garnish to. So, cut diagonally and cut very thinly. Then, throw it in ice water. So, gagawa ulit ako ng isang dressing. Onions, ang ating suka, konting patis, konting sugar, cracked black pepper, and chilies. Yan. So, ganito yung ating drama sa ating plating, ha. And, yung aking kalahati ng aking pork, I will toss here. Konti lang, ha. Toss. So, let us split. So, ito yung gagawin natin. So, on one side, meron tayong kilawin na baboy kasi may taong ayaw ng fish. On the other side, lalagyan natin yung ating kinilaw na tuna. And itong isa, gagawin natin, ihahalo natin yung dalawa. Combine everything, pati yung dressing mo is a bit smoky. Now, we have the combination in the middle. And now, you can just pour the dressing on one side. Woo! And, ang ating pinakulot na leeks. Beautiful. Then, more chilies on top. Kung gusto mong may sili pa. And, we will just scatter our calamansi all over. So you can have lime, calamansi, lemon, kung anong gusto mong citrus. Whoop! Sarap. Ito talaga is such a treat. Mm? Mm. Mm. So perfect. Mm. Mm. Napaka-simple ng ating recipe. Kinilaw and sinugba. Put into one. Pero guys, don't forget to subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. Dami natin ginagawa ng masasarap na pagkain. Just like this recipe. Parang siyang nagluto ka, pero hindi ka nagluto pag kinilaw. Eto siya, luto na, ginawa mo pang kinilaw. It's so interesting. Yeah, try this recipe at home. If you have fresh seafood, walang fresh seafood, pwede nga, puro liempo, gagawin mong kidlawin. Diba? Such a great idea. Ang ating recipe for today, sinuglaw, simple.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.